What's up, you guys? Welcome back to video number 2 of Christmas cookies with Cindy. So in last week's video, we made some sugar cookies, and a couple of you on Instagram stories told me that you also enjoy Snickerdoodle cookies during this time of year. So for today's video, we are going to be making Snickerdoodle cookies. If you did happen to miss the sugar cookie video from last week, I will leave that link down below in the description for you to check out. And if you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm so excited that you guys are here. I want to let you know that these cookies are going to be made with much healthier ingredients, and they're also going to be both dairy and gluten-free. All of these cookies, you guys, are delicious. And if you do enjoy today's video, please be sure to show it some love, give it a big thumbs up, or perhaps share it with someone who during this holiday season, they feel like they can't enjoy the things that they love. You should always be able to enjoy the things that you love. And one of the things that I talk about on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram stories is that I always try to find recipes or recreate the recipes in my own way using much healthier ingredients. That's part of the reason why I love showing you guys videos here on my YouTube channel where I recreate things in a much healthier way, because when I started paying attention to the ingredient label, it made such a big difference. And I just want to let you know that during the holiday season, there's so many recipes out there that you can enjoy. But anyway, with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright guys, ingredients that I'm going to need for the Snickerdoodle cookies include 1 pasture-raised egg. I have some coconut oil here that I have already melted and it's currently cooling off. Some pure vanilla extract, organic cane sugar, almond flour, coconut flour, baking soda, got some cinnamon, cream of tartar, Himalayan pink salt, and then, you know, the usual measuring cups, measuring spoons. I do have a large mixing bowl and then a smaller mixing bowl that I'll use in order to roll the cookies in some cinnamon and sugar. So in the large mixing bowl, I've whisked 1 egg, and to that I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of the pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of that melted and cooled off coconut oil, and 1/4 cup of that cane sugar. The next things that I'm gonna add are 1 1/2 cup of the almond flour, 2 tablespoons of the coconut flour, 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of the cream of tartar, 1/2 teaspoon of the cinnamon, and finally 1/8 teaspoon of the Himalayan pink salt. Okay, that looks pretty well mixed now. I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna bring out the small mixing bowl. So in the small mixing bowl, I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of the cane sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of the cinnamon. And again, this is gonna be used for me to roll the Snickerdoodle cookies into, so I get that nice cinnamony sugar taste. I also have my baking sheet and my parchment paper ready. And what I'll do first is I'll form the Snickerdoodle cookies and then I'll roll them in this mixture. I roll them first because I want to make sure that I get 12 cookies. So I got my 12 Snickerdoodle cookies all formed, and the next thing that I did is I just took the cookie, rolled it in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Make sure you roll it really good so that all sides are covered with it, and then just pressed it down with my fingers, just like that. The other thing that I did is I also have preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Well, 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 would you look who decided to show up again? You guys, these Snickerdoodle cookies are insane. That cinnamon and the sugar that I rolled them in makes them so delicious. They're all cooled off now, but they were in the oven for 10 minutes. And I'm hoping that I can make these last because they are that good. So next Thursday, I'm gonna be making a Christmas classic. It's a peanut butter blossom, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye, guys.